Welcome to A2Zintech.
Today we are going to talk about the Naepca nail art machine. The world of beauty and self-expression is perpetually evolving, with innovation continuously shaping how individuals enhance their appearances. In a remarkable breakthrough that is turning heads, the Naepca nail art machine has burst onto the scene, promising a remarkable transformation in the way nail art is conceived and created. This cutting-edge device, capable of crafting intricate nail designs in just 15 seconds, is poised to revolutionize the realm of nail art, offering convenience, creativity, and unprecedented speed to beauty enthusiasts worldwide. The Naepca nail art machine's rapid rise to prominence underscores the fusion of technology and personal style, with its revolutionary capabilities redefining how individuals approach nail adornment. Key aspects and innovations of the Naepca nail art machine include: Number 1. Instant artistry. Traditionally, nail art has been a time-consuming process. The Naepca machine turns the tables by utilizing advanced technology to produce intricate and stunning designs on nails in a mere 15 seconds. Number 2. Limitless creativity. The Naepca nail art machine is equipped with an array of design options, enabling users to choose from an extensive library of patterns, colors, and styles. This empowers individuals to express their creativity without the constraints of manual dexterity. Number 3. Personalization. In addition to the preset designs, the machine allows users to upload custom designs, ensuring that their nail art is uniquely tailored to their tastes and preferences. Number 4. Efficiency and consistency. The Naepca machine ensures consistent quality and accuracy, eliminating human error and variations commonly associated with hand-painted nail art. In conclusion, the Naepca nail art machine represents a leap into the future of beauty technology, transforming an age-old practice into an efficient and artistic experience. Its ability to deliver intricate and personalized nail designs in just 15 seconds showcases the potential of technology to enhance individual self-expression. As the Naepca nail art machine paves the way for a faster, more creative approach to nail art, it aligns with the ever-evolving demands of modern consumers who seek convenience without compromising on style. This innovative device exemplifies the convergence of personal grooming and technological advancement, underscoring how the beauty industry continues to adapt and innovate to cater to the desires and aspirations of its clientele. Whether one's aesthetic is subtle elegance or vibrant flamboyance, the Naepca nail art machine offers a transformative journey towards achieving flawless, personalized nail artistry in the blink of an eye.
Please join the A2Zintech community. Support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing for exciting tech insights and content. Together, let's grow.